They're a funny bunch of blokes. It's a good way to meet a lot more people too. They're all in the same boat as you, so no one's different. The teacher's really good. He's very, very thorough. Even if you think you might understand it, he'll still explain everything just to make sure that you understand everything involved with it.
We generally find 100% of our apprentices that would complete their apprenticeship, which is really, really good. When the state average is around about 55% of a completion for an apprentice. I think it's the mentoring program and the flexible learning options and engaging with the apprentice and engaging with the employers.
My trainers in my department really care, and I think that's the difference. If you can really nurture your students and you can really support your students and you've got the support of industry behind them, you just see a real blooming of these kids, and they come in and they're young, they haven't got a lot of knowledge, and after 4 years these young people walk out really good qualified tradesmen and really confident young people. I'm talking about electrical, mate. How could you ever be bored?